do I screen record on my iPhone? Well, today, I'll be showing you that on my iPhone with iOS 26 installed. Start by unlocking your iPhone and ensure you are on the home screen. Once that is done, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This is the control center, where you want to navigate to the favorite controls. Hold down on the screen here to enter customization mode. Click on Add Controls. Here, you should see a screen recording option. Click on this. Then tap anywhere on the screen to exit customization mode. Now you can click on the newly added button and start recording after the countdown. Once you are done recording, click on the red button on the top left, or alternatively, you can use the same button on the control center to stop recording. Once you stop, your recording should automatically be added to your gallery. Thank you for watching and follow for more tips.